When it comes to cancer, we have seen significant progress in both treatment and care, but doctors say one of the biggest solutions is catching the disease early.
Always. And today, a big name in Houston is calling attention to the importance of early detection.
Tina Knowles, mother to music superstars Beyoncé and Solange, released a new book which reveals her breast cancer diagnosis.
Sherman Chow in the newsroom right now. Sherman, Tina Knowles' story no doubt will resonate with many women.
Yeah, her story is part of a trend of missed mammogram screenings during the pandemic. And she debated about revealing her diagnosis in her new book, Matriarch, but went public hoping to help others. The American Cancer Society recommends a mammogram every 1 to 2 years for women over the age of 55. But Knowles missed hers during the pandemic and forgot to reschedule it until last year. That is when doctors found a stage 1 cancerous tumor.
If I had gone for my mammogram, I would have got it at the 0 stage. Thank God it was still very small, hadn't spread.
But because of COVID, we've seen a trend that we're detecting cancer later, and that's because people were missing their annual screening.
Dr. Jason Wabi, a breast cancer doctor at MD Anderson, says that the CDC will release numbers soon, and he expects they will back up other studies showing an increase in diagnoses of late-stage breast cancer because patients skipped checkups during COVID. Regular mammograms allow for early detection and treatment. That is one easy answer, more solutions. MD Anderson adds that a healthy weight and diet, breastfeeding, plus 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week all help reduce your risk of breast cancer. Pretty simple stuff, but you gotta do it. Guys?
It's called self-care and prioritizing ourselves and our health, which is a challenge for most women out there.
Yeah, caring for a lot of other folks. All right, Sherman, thank you.